All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency. Everything from mining the coin, the staking the coin, to using that credit card for BlockFi credit card. Drip Network get 365% back, 1% every day. Splash is actually getting 2% every day. Today we're going to talk about AMP token. What's going on with AMP? Go to the website, do their Twitter. Is this a good time to get in the AMP? Is AMP dead? Is AMP going to bounce back? I've been covering AMP for about 4 or 5 months now, so we're going to check that out. Also, we're going to talk about the high gas prices in the United States. Biden basically stopped receiving oil from Russia. He signed an executive order. We receive about 5 to 7% from Russia. How is that going to affect us? Even though it doesn't seem like a lot, 5 to 7%, it is going to affect us. Remember, what happens globally affects everybody. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and one day even own some cryptocurrency. Still in Hawaii out here. I brought my family out here on some of my cryptocurrency project money, kind of treating the family. All right, everybody, let's head over to AMP token. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, AMP is at number 75. It's down about 2% for the last 7 days. It's down about 1% today. Traded at 2 cents, 0.24, clicking it. So what's going on with this AMP? Is this coin dead or is this coin gonna bounce back? Some people are starting to lose faith in AMP, but let's check out and do our statistics for today. This is in the last 24 hours. I had a couple bumps, but the bumps were not gigantic. It only went to 0.25. In the last 7 days here, what was the high here? Yep, 2.6. So, I mean, it's down 2% for the week. It's down 1% for the day. So the key thing is we'll do a price prediction when we're done. This coin is at 2 cents, 2.5 cents. We're going to go over here to their Twitter account. We got a couple new things going on. AMP is listed on DigiFinex, DIGIFINEX. Anytime an AMP gets listed on a new platform, all those people on that platform are going to get a special email or a special thing that they have a new coin that's listed, which is fantastic because now this is going to actually let more people from this platform know about AMP token. So there's some good news right there. Also, AMP token is an atomic wallet. So anybody who uses atomic wallet, you can see it right here. Now they may be like, what's this AMP token about? 2.5 cents. Now when I was covering this coin a few months ago, it was at 4.5 cents and 5 cents. It's at the lowest ever that I've ever talked about this coin. So is this a good time to get in the AMP or is it a good time to just stay away? Don't forget to leave your comments in the bottom. Over here at the website, let's take AMP. Let's take money into the 21st century. AMP provides assets like Dash with instant variable assurance for any real-world application. It says there's a couple things you can do with the AMP. You can stake the AMP, you can send the AMP, and you can repeat. Stake the AMP. AMP is an extensive platform for collateralizing asset transfers. By staking the AMP of any form value, exchange can be guaranteed. Digital payments, fiat currency, exchanges, loan distributions, and property of sales. Couple things too, you can go to Fuse Network, and Fuse actually has passive income that you can do with the AMP token. So if you're into passive income and you want some passive income, you may want to go over to Fuse Network. You can actually use the AMP to get passive income with Fuse. Once you stake it, then you send it. Once a staked AMP is ready to collateralize, a transfer, the use of collateral pools, AMP effectively decentralizes the risk of asset transfers, especially suitable for fraud-proof network, any real-world application. Repeat, AMP will also simplify network rewards distribution once transferred complete. The AMP smart contract offers variety of built-in incentive modes, including micro distribution and continuous compounding. Why AMP? AMP helps you decentralize the risk for users with smart contract features. Purposes are built for collateral, nothing more and nothing less. You can go to their white pages, obviously, and learn more about the white pages of AMP, all kinds of things right there. And it says, let's meet our friends. From staking on Flexa to providing stability through liquidity, the AMP ecosystem offers many ways to use and earn AMP today. Right there, Coinbase. So let's talk about Coinbase. You can actually go on Coinbase, and there's 3 tutorials that you can do. They're $1 each. I did it a week ago, and you get $3 to do 3 courses, but I just thought it was cool that Coinbase had AMP token as one of the tokens that you can learn about. So if you have a Coinbase account, go earn your $3. If you don't have a Coinbase account, go get an account. Remember, they were the ones with the QR code that was bouncing around for the Super Bowl. And they have stuff like Ethereum, learn about Ethereum, learn about the blockchain, all kinds of good stuff. Also, they are working with Uniswap, Sushi, crypto.com, Moonswap, CoinGecko, just to name a few. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. AMP token, good buy right now, $2.04, 024, or stay away from it. Give us your thoughts in the bottom. I was covering this coin a few months ago. It was 4.5 cents. It was 5 cents. There was one time it actually bounced all the way to 7 cents. Then, of course, it came right back down. The record was last June. It went to 11 cents. Is this coin dead? Will this coin bounce back? Give us your thoughts in the bottom. All right, what about the gas prices in the U.S.? They don't seem to be going away. They don't seem to be lowering. They seem to be going up, up, up. Biden actually signed an executive order saying he's not going to be buying Russian oil. We only get about 5 to 7%, but is that going to affect us here in the United States? Let's head over and check it out. Why are U.S. gas prices soaring when American barely uses Russian oil? Well, let's check out and see what it says here. There's pain at the pump for American drivers, and the U.S. prices soar to record highs. Although the United States barely uses any Russian oil, why is it going up? Ukraine is still a big factor in the gas price spike, among other reasons. Are you confused? Well, let's walk you through it. Most Russian oil goes to Europe and Asia, but the key here is to think about the oil supply globally, rather than just the U.S. The commodity world is heavily interconnected to one, the oil price is through a global market, so what happens in one area would also affect the other. The problem at hand here is Russia is one of the world's biggest of oil suppliers. In December, example, Russia sent nearly 8 million barrels of oil per day and 5 million barrels of crude oil to make gasoline, among other items. And yes, it's very true that little Russian oil supply goes to the United States, just 90,000 barrels of crude per day in December. But again, you got to think of it globally. We just cut off 5 to 7% of our oil supply. Where is that going to come from? Instantly. And remember, United States, we are the biggest producer of oil, but we actually outsource 38% of our oil. Well, you can't stop outsourcing, but I would think pull 7% of that back. But prices are going to be going up. But remember, the oil is bought and shipped around the world through global commodities. So in a sense, it doesn't really matter who is getting it. It's going to make the price go up everywhere. Why is there less Russian supply anyways? What are the prices in the United States? The average price is $4.32 on this website, gasprice.aa.com. It's got a map. California is the highest price in the country, $5.70. Texas is at $4. Florida is at $4. You can scroll right here and you can kind of see everything. You got your regular prices, you got your mid-gas, and you got your premium. Well, here you go. Delaware is at $4.23. Hawaii, where I'm at right now, is $4.93. Kentucky's at $4. Diesel over here in California is over $6 a gallon. All right, so what are some things you can do? Well, you have to carpool. If you were at work and you got one friend and you drove 1 week and your friend drove 1 week, you would drive 2 weeks out of 4, so you would cut down your gas consumption by 50% to work. If you had 2 people, and you would drive every 3rd week. The best strategy is to get 3 people in your car plus you. You drive the 1st week, Bob drives the 2nd week, Sally drives the 3rd week, and Henry drives the 4th week. You would only drive 25% of the time, which you would be saving 75% of the drive. Also wear and tear in your car, so that could help you. Also starting a side hustles, cryptocurrency project, something that you can make around $500 a month extra on to kind of offset the money you're spending at the pump. I know it sucks that you're going to make this extra money at home, but then you got to put it to the gas price, but you have to do something. Also groceries, you can actually go to the grocery store, order online, and have it shipped to your house. You have to come up with strategies, just like the pandemic didn't go away anytime soon. Gas prices, take a look where it's at. In a week from now, they'll be higher. They're not going away anytime soon. So you have to take strategies or you're going to take it on the chin. I don't know. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon. Now remember, all my information is for educational purposes only. We're just sharing here. We're all friends here. Let's head back over to AMP token for a little price prediction. All right, over here at CoinMarketCap, this token is at 0.024. My price prediction is going to go to 0.248. It's going to bump up a little bit. Now remember, all our information is for educational purposes only. Go back and look at the charts. This coin was at 4 cents. This coin was at 5 cents. Even a few months ago, it hit 7 cents. So do you like AMP token or do you not like AMP token? Have you given up on this coin, or are you thinking about getting into this coin? Give us your thoughts in the bottom. All right, everybody, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Gas prices not going away. Any high gas prices anytime soon. Side hustles to kind of maybe combat it could be your strategy. Some node projects, strong nodes, Project X nodes, Vapor nodes, Thor nodes, maybe pick one to get into. I think Vapor nodes may be the best project to get into if you're brand new. They actually give a higher bonus for brand new people if you got a smaller node. Don't forget to click right here to see our most recent video. Click right here so you can learn about Drip Network at 365% back on your initial investment, 1% a day. Our background is Hawaii. We're still in Hawaii, enjoying ourselves. Brought our family out here on some cryptocurrency project money. All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in, and you have a fantastic day.